So here I am in Kazimierz, and this is the Jewish quarter here, about 15 minutes south of Old Town Krakow. And as you can see by the condition of the buildings behind me, this is during World War II, most of the buildings were destroyed. And you can see the ruins. And this is Kazimierz. Such a cool historic part of town here. And here's a little trivia for you. In 1993, Steven Spielberg actually filmed a lot of the scenes from Schindler's List here in Kazimierz. Even though most of it did not take place in Kazimierz, he actually filmed a lot of the Jewish scenes here in Kazimierz, in the Jewish district. There are actually two parts. There's a Christian part, and there's also a Jewish part. So we have about 9 to 10 synagogues here, and then there's 3 to 4 different types of Gothic, Roman Catholic churches here in this area. Definitely worth seeing when you come to Krakow, to Poland. It's about 15 minutes south. You can walk, or there's little tour guides that can take you there. You can take an Uber, taxi, etc. But it is only about a 15-minute walk to Krakow. Highly recommend it. Definitely worth seeing. It's the historical part of Krakow. And look at that. You can see a lot of the buildings were ruined during the war. Yep. It's Kazimierz. Not too bad today. It's about, I don't know, 80 degrees Fahrenheit here in Kazimierz. This is one of the buildings. Alright guys, so here's a little secret for you. It's actually not a secret, it's a Polish staple food. So when in Poland, you absolutely have to try zapikanki or zapikanka. Zapikanki is plural and then zapikanka is singular. And what it is it's an open-faced type of like a French baguette, and they slice it in half, and then they slice it horizontally, and then you just have all these different toppings that you put on top of it. It reminds me of a pizza, but on a baguette, and it's pretty awesome actually. And as I walk around, you're going to see everyone here in Poland has zapikanka in their hands. You can see as I walk around. So actually, when in Rome, you have to try it. So I tried it. So check it out and let me know what you think. And by the way, here are more food trucks as you walk down a little bit, and of course more zapikanki. Definitely have to try this when in Poland. This one I got was number 5. I got this one. Number 5. That is 21 zloty. Comes out to about $6 US for the zapikanki, which is a Polish staple food. Alright, so it's so cool. They give you this little device and the zapikanka is ready. I opted for the number 5 zapikanka, which is topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella, basil, and balsamic vinegar. It was so yummy. Highly, highly recommend. I do not need all those carbs. So, it is so yummy and so good. I wanted to try it because when in Poland you have to try it. And now look at all the birds now. I'm giving them all my bread because I definitely don't need the bread. Look at all them. Look at all them coming. Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Look at all of them. Look at all the pigeons. See, I love this. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoy this little walk through Kazimierz. It is such a cool, hip neighborhood. I absolutely love it. So much to do, so much to see. I absolutely highly recommend it. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment. Let me know what your favorite part is of the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao. I just love the horse and carriages. It is honestly my favorite part of Krakow. It's like living inside a fairy tale. It is just so magical and so dreamy.